Documentation beats conversation. So point number 4, failure to manage project documentation. You know I wasn't going to leave this one out because we know the motto here. Documentation beats what? Documentation beats conversation. So poor documentation leads to confusion, repeated mistakes, and loss of knowledge. I always talk about we lose tribal knowledge when people leave the organization or leave the team. And so when we don't document, this is what tends to happen. So critical decisions and approval risk becoming obscured without proper documentation. Why is this important? Because we know good documentation ensures transparency, accountability, and continuity throughout the project lifecycle. Because we have to understand, family, that if we don't document the project, and I'm not talking about over documenting that we lose perspective on the project, but I am making sure that on big decisions we're documenting. If we're leading a predictive approach type project, that we have a charter in place, that we have a schedule in place, that we leverage the project management plan, meaning using components there, not using all of the plans within that project management plan, but having a communication management plan is going to be key. So experiment with these actionable tips. Establish standardized templates and a centralized documentation management system. Schedule routine documentation audits. And the last and final one is assign clear ownership of documentation responsibility within the team. And again, I have some professional advice here for you as well. Documentation isn't bureaucracy. It's a record of the project's journey and your best protection against misunderstanding.